Hello everyone, this is Dipti Verma in front of you, and today I'm just going to narrate a very beautiful novel, that is Deep Work by Carl Newport. So deep work, as the name depicts, deep work means we have to work deeply on a single task. There is a nothing such concept like multiple tasker. So if you are multiple tasker person, multitasking person, so you have to eradicate that thought and being a single tasker person. Here in this novel, it is sum up with a very marvelous thing that how we can focus on a single task and how it enhances our capacity. Because now a distracted world, being a single tasker in this distracted world, because this world is so distracted and it's not tough to get a job or tough to get a selection in any field, because you have to focus in this distracted world. You have to not focus with the person who is really your troubleshooter, you can say, who is really your competitor. You have to focus with yourself by not being getting distracted, and this novel tells us about how to not get distracted. Okay, so I'm just going through the index or the content of this novel, that what the novel is all about. So I'm just going to tell you about the gist of the novel. Okay, so first part is about the idea. Okay, chapter 1 is deep work is valuable. I will explain later on. Okay, chapter 1 is deep work is valuable, chapter 2 is deep work is rare, chapter 3 is about the deep work is meaningful, and chapter 2 is about the rules. So what the rules tells, first rule is work deeply, second rule is embrace boredom, next one is quit social media, next one is drain the shallow, and then the conclusion and notes. So very simple, concise, and not so long. It's very simple, precise, and concise book. So what it tells about, first one is deep work is valuable. Why deep work is valuable? Deep work is valuable because we focus on single thing, single entity, and we just not focus on multiple things, so getting distracted in this world. So if we focus on one thing means just we have to focus on our conscious, our chetan. We have to focus, like if we do yoga, exercise, meditation, what we do in meditation, we have to focus only one thing, that is breath. We have to focus, we have to close the eye, we have to focus on the breath. We have to focus on the breath, only a single entity. We have to eradicate all the entities, because the focus is very important task. Focus is only the one thing which can turn from mediocre to incredible. Next one is deep work is rare, because nowadays most of the people, they are not deep working, so it's very rare in this society. So you should be the one person who being rare, because all the people are going just bhir chal kind of thing. So you have to away from them, you have to be different from them, then only you can do the miracle, you can be different from others. Okay, next thing is meaningful. Why it is meaningful? Because if you are focusing on yourself, your breath, it means that you are knowing yourself. If you are knowing yourself, you are finding the meaning, you are finding the self, you are finding your worth. In the same way, if you are reading some tasks, reading some books, doing some tasks, if you are not a multitasker person, if you are focusing on single thing, it means that you are finding the meaning, you are reading between the lines, you are understanding the core concept, you are not just shallowing it, you are just going deep into it, deep rooted concept. Because little knowledge is a dangerous thing, so you are not focused on little knowledge, you are not focusing on dangerous, you are just focusing on the deep thing, what is the hidden meaning of the particular thing. And next thing is about how the work, how we have to do the work. We have to work deeply, means we have to go thoroughly on any topic. We have to be a thorough reader. Apart from that, means we have to embrace the boredom, means we have to love that boredom, because doing one thing, single task, and being consistent over one thing, it's very boring. Means we are the person who are multiple tasker, and we do wanna excel lots of things in a single phase. But we have to accept, we have to embrace, we have to love, we have to accept all the boredoms that this will be in our face. For example, if you want to do anything, if you want to excel new activity, new career, like you want to do yoga, you have to go to gym. If you want to inculcate any of the habit, so it's boredom, means waking up in the morning and doing exercise is really a boredom, but that makes you a person, right? Next thing is quit social media. That's very important, because you have to quit the social media, because social media is only the distraction for us. Initial, when there was no social media, our lifespan was, our our, you can say, concentration span was long, but nowadays shorts, we just keeps on scrolling the shorts, and it's reduce our, you can say, it's make us short temper, and apart from that it reduce our, you can say, efficiency, and it makes us too eager, just go, means we are not focusing on one thing. It makes us impatient. It reduces the patience level, that we have to go beyond that. We just think, okay, just finish the task, irrespective knowing the depth of the thought. We are just to bypass the thoughts, several thoughts we have to just bypass, instead of focusing on one thought and eradicating the problem. We are just in the inculcate of the confined in a particular zone of the jal. So that's the another problem. Next thing is drain the shallow, means we have to drain the shallow thing, means we are just having the lots of knowledge, but that knowledge is useless because we are not going deep into, we are not deep rooted into the thought. So we have to drain that shallow, and we have to penetrate in the depth of that thing. Okay, so this is all about the beautiful novel that is about the deep work. So focus deeply and deep work, then only you can be different person. So what are you doing till now? Change your perception, change your vision, and do the thing as it is mentioned in this book. Okay, thank you.